Good evening everyone. Myself Ashu Sharma. I welcome you in series of German language. Today we will have this lecture number 33. So today we will see some of the examples of verb. Das Verbum. Das Verbum. This is that we speak in German. So let's start with first example. First example is sehen. Sehen. S-E-H-E-N. Sehen. Sehen, it means in English is to see. To see. So here we have sehen as verb, to see. Next one that we just try what exactly the form of this once we use with some personal pronoun and try to explore it. So we have ich, then du, then sie, es, then we have this is wir, then ihr, then sie and sie. So it's a personal pronoun, and I am just giving you that meaning of this. Ich means I, du is again you but in informal manner, sie, es is, is you can say he, she and it, wir means we, ihr again for they, z, small z is for again for they, and capital Z is for you. So this is the way we will try to write all sorts of form that is possible for sehen. Sehen means to see. So whenever we start with ich, it will always deliver like ze. So this is that en, this is the radical that is going to be changed most of the time. There are certain exceptions also, so we will discuss that case by case what will be the exception. Here this n is a radical, so here when we write with ich, ze, zehe, so ich ze. Next is when we write with du, so it looks like siehst, gist, it speaks like gist. Then next is zs, he, she, it, so it looks like jit, like that. So there are certain changes happening in original form of verb. Now next with wir, it is similar as original form sehen. Next is ihr, so there is a little bit change, seht, sit. Then sie, again it is as similar as original form sehen, and then sie, it is again sehen. So this is the way we write and try to understand the significance of this verb form. Start with ich sehe, du gist, sie es chit, wir sehen, ihr seht, sie sehen, sie sehen. So this is first example number 1 of this Verbum. Now next is we take another example number 2, and this example belongs to any of that verb we may take. Suppose we take nehmen, N-E-H-M-E-N. Nehmen means to take. It's English that meaning is to take, name. So what will be the form when we start to write for this? First one is nehme, like this. The next is du, we write nimmst, like that, nimmst. Next one is with sie, es, it looks like nimm, like that. Then we have wir, so again it's the original form, nehme, like that. Then with ihr, which is again it looks like name. Very important what sort of change is happening over here. You have to remember those changes and learn these things. Again, nehmen and nehmen. So this is the way we will write it for name. Name means to take. So here I have given you two examples, and these examples you have to learn as well as understand the rules behind this. If you see there are shuffle, that is going to be a change. If you see certain, I am just underlining those changes, so you may write it also, or you may take a snapshot of this also. I am just giving that underline what sort of changes over happening. Here there is no change, here is a change, no change, no change. Now come to this. So here is a change, this change, this is a change, again this is a change, no change, this change. So you may write down this, or you may take a snapshot of these two examples that I have delivered. And now I am just giving one speaking practice. Ich sehe, du gehst, sie es geht, wir sehen, ihr seht, sie sehen, sie sehen. Dann wir nehmen, ich nehme, du nimmst, sie es nimmt, wir nehmen, ihr nehmt, sie nehmen, sie nehmen. So this is all about for today's class. Thank you very much being with me in this session. If you like these videos, please subscribe my channel, and this is my personal request, please go through from lecture number 1 till this is lecture number 33. So just practice all sorts of exercise over there, because this is very important for A1 level certification. Subscribe my channel, this is my humble request, and follow these videos, and press the bell icon so you may get the notification of the latest uploaded video. Guten Nacht.